dear students, welcome to my class Easy Maths Jyoti IS Davangere. It's a class for 7th standard students, CBSE NCERT syllabus and also for Karnataka state students. In the chapter 2, fractions and decimals, exercise 2.3, the fourth line, which is greater, 2 by 7 or 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 or 5 by 8. Okay students, we have to compare these two. First we have to find the product of 2 by 7 or 3 by 4. Of means we have to multiply. And here also 3 by 5 or 5 by 8 is there. 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. First let us find this, the product of these product fractions. That is 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. We know that. How to multiply the fractions? Multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Here when we simplify this, we got 6 by 58. Now simplifying this, that is 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. Here 3 5s are 15, 8 5s are 40. Okay students, here what we got? 6 by 28 and 15 by 40. How we can compare these two? Because the denominators are different. And here we can bring it to, don't bring, as it is fine. For find the LCM for those two. Okay, we can reduce it to lowest form, that is equals to both are divided by here 2 and 2, that is equals to 3 by 3 ones and 3 fours, 3 by 14 here we got. Here both are divided by 5, 5 3s is 15, here 5 8s are 40. Here we got the denominators are different, 14 and 8, and we can easily tell directly that the numerators are same, isn't it? The numerators are same but the denominators are different. In that cases, the number which is having the greater denominator is less than the number which is having the lowest denominator. I will tell you just for your knowledge, 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. In these cases, here the numerator is same but the denominator is different. When the numerators are same, the fraction which is having the greater denominator is less than the other fraction. The denominator is greater, that means this one is less than the denominator which is having the small. Okay, we can say like this, or otherwise we can take the LCM, that is 14 comma 8, that is equals to 2 7s are 2 4s are, that is 2 2s are 7 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56 here we got. Okay. Now bring the both the denominators to the LCM 56. So we have to multiply the denominator, that is 14 4 56 means we have to multiply it by 4. When we multiply the denominator 4, we have to multiply the numerator by 4. That is 12 by 56. 13 by 3 by 14 will become 12 by 56. And then 3 by 8 is equals to 56. To get the denominator 56, it is multiplied by 7 and 7. Here 21 by 56. What we got here? 3 by 14 is less than 3 by 8. Because how we got this? Here we are looking at the both the denominators are same. We are looking the numerators. In the numerator which is smaller, that is 12. Therefore, the 3 by 14 is less than 3 by 8. From this knowledge also we can write, but by doing the procedure we can do like this. Here 1 by 2 of 6 by 7, that is equals to 1 by 2 into 6 by 7, that is 6 by 14. It is 2 3s are 2 7s are divided by 2. Okay, next 2 by 3 or into 3 by 7. 3 2s are 6 by 21. Both are dividing by 3. That is equals to 3 2s are 3 7s are. Here both of them are having the same denominators. We can compare it by 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. Okay, understood students? Okay, let us come to the end of my class. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe, do share and do like the videos. Thank you for watching students. Okay, bye-bye.